These dark chocolate raspberry truffles are so easy to make, and they make the perfect gift. So you don't have to go to the store and buy an expensive box. You could just make it yourself and add a little special touch of love into each and every ball. First thing I'm gonna do is make a raspberry sauce. Super simple to make. Add some fresh raspberries, some honey, and a little water, just to help the sauce come together. I came up with this recipe one Christmas when I didn't have a whole lot of money, so I went to my kitchen for inspiration and I made these truffles and everybody loved them. All right, that looks good. It thickened up just a little bit, but still very saucy. Oh, I could smell all that fresh raspberry goodness. Now all you have to do is strain it out. That way you'll have a nice smooth truffle. Next, I'm gonna heat up some heavy cream. Now be very careful when you're heating this up. You don't want it to overboil. You just want to heat it to a simmer. We want it hot enough to be able to melt our chocolate. While you're heating that cream, just send all those loving energies. You are beautiful. I appreciate you for melting my chocolate and my heart. All right, I'm starting to see it bubble. Now I have some dark chocolate chips here. Spread out your chocolate and just pour that cream all over. This looks good. I'm gonna give this a stir. Oh yeah, look at that chocolate. Now it looks like it's not gonna come together, but again, like with love, you need to have patience. Believe in it, make its dreams come true, AKA my dreams of eating this and having it melt all over my mouth. All right, at this point, you can add your raspberry sauce. This is what makes it nice and fruity. I like some orange liqueur. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to chill until it's set. The ganache is set. Let's make these balls with a melon baller. So you just scoop a little bit, roll them in your hands. It helps if you cool down your hand a bit, stick them in the freezer. I really love a truffle that has some unsweetened cocoa for a little bit of that bitterness. Let's do one raspberry coating. Oh, look at that color. Giving someone something they can eat just feels really good. I mean, there's not one person I've given this to that's like, ugh, chocolate, gross. Aren't they so beautiful? Look at that color. Now, I want to package these up for some very special people in my life. They won't even know that I made them, but they will when I tell them. So I just drop it in. Look at that. So professional, very fancy. Chocolate by Jen. I cannot resist a taste. I'm just melting into my kitchen. It's that good. Oh, that tastes like love. It feels like love. It's not too sweet, and I can't wait to give them to the people I love.